Class, today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on appearance. When you just click here on appearance, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, then you come here to show remaining time. Just click or show it up. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.